Hi, Connie Collier here. I wanted to introduce you to another one of my services, and here is a review widget that can be put or installed on your website so people can see your wonderful reviews. And you can do like this and click on it. And here's another one, a widget that will pop up on your website. If you do more, click on where the more is, and here's the review. And this is my website, and here's my phone number. And I have to open it up, open my phone, and if someone look at my review and click here, it'll come to my phone. It shows that they're interested. So I think I want to share this with you. If you'd be interested in a review widget on your website with your telephone number, where when they would call, it would go to you. Any of your reviews on your widget would go to your telephone when they click more. So if interested, give me a call. Here's all my information here on my website. Okay, and here's my email, info@coolab.com. There's my telephone number, which would be better to text me if you're interested in having this review widget. Sometimes I call it a pop-up, but it is really a widget that's put on with all of your reviews. Okay, that's it right now.